Hi guys, welcome back to Shar TV. This is absolutely where you want to be, where you need to be, where you ought to be. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon hair review. But before I get into this hair review, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share. And you let everybody know that I'm doing a review on some good hair. I'm finding all the good deals. I know people are reviewing Amazon hair, but they talking about $200, $300, $400. Like, where they do that at? Huh? Not over here. Not on this channel. I'm finding you the deals. I'm getting you the best deals for some good quality hair. You feel me? Okay, so I'm going to hop right on into it. Subscribe. So before I get into the hair video, I'm gonna show you guys what the hair came in. So it came in a box just like this. This is not how they ship it. They ship it in like a package, but I opened that already. And it comes with kind and important notes on hair care, how you take care of your hair. For those of you who don't know how to take care of your hair, like you don't throw it in the street, let a truck run over it, you know what I mean? So that's pretty much all that it came with. They sent me a wig cap and an eyeshadow palette, which I thought was really, really nice and cute. So I already opened the hair because I was fiending. It didn't just come like this. It came in a bag with a hairnet on it. So it didn't just come like straight out like this. But I did open it a little bit to see what it was going on. It doesn't have a smell. It's really bouncy and nice. So this is just the first glance of the hair. They say it's supposed to be HD transparent lace. I thought it was cute. This is a great buy. Period. So I'm gonna just let the rest of the video play as I install this on my head. Okay, make sure you subscribe, boo. You cannot look my way. You cannot, listen, you just can't. Because what are you really telling me right now? What are you telling me? You're not telling me nothing, okay? All right, so first things first, guys. Let me just say that this hair is amazing. If you can't tell already, it's just so full, and it's just soft, and it just looks good. If you see me looking over here, it's because my monitor is over here, so I'm trying to make sure that I actually look good before I'm telling y'all that it look good. Next thing you know, I gotta put it in my nose, and sis is looking cray-cray. But guys, this is some really bomb hair. So this is an Amazon hair company, and the seller is actually QUINLUX. I did another review on their hair, and it just was bomb, but this right here is just giving me real good vibes because I love a black hair. You feel me? I love the way it just makes me look, and this is like my comfort zone, so I knew what to do. I always had black hair, so it's just it for me. This is it. All right, don't say nothing to me, don't talk to me, don't even look my way, because I'm just not on your level no more. I'm on a different level because of this hair. Period. So it's a HD transparent lace front wigs, human hair, 180 density, 13x6 lace front wig, hair pre-plucked with bleach knots, and it's really living up to that standard. Now, if you're an expert with wigs and you know what you're doing, you're gonna love this hair because it's really living up to its standards. It's really living up to the price. It's really just giving me, don't talk to me on unless you got some money, unless you got some business moves, unless you trying to help me, don't talk to me vibes. That's what I'm getting, like CEO vibes. You feel me? Like me and my husband finna drive out in a Ferrari vibes, like Lamborghini vibes. Like I'm getting a whole bunch of vibes in this hair. It's super soft. It didn't come with a smell. It didn't come looking crazy. I just had to literally cut the lace, fit it on my head, and I was good to go. So I didn't bleach the knots like how I did with the last wig. I just put it on and went about my business. And as you can see, honey, this is a time saver. Who has time to be sitting there bleaching knots, washing out? I mean, if you have time, good. I don't have that time, okay? I don't. This wig was $168.99, and it was absolutely worth every single penny. You hear me? Every single penny. People want to give you $200, $300 off of Amazon. No, baby. You gotta get with it or get lost. You gotta just get with it. You've been looking ratchet. You've been looking tired. You've been looking sick. Get with the program and get this dang hair. Like, first of all, I'm not spending my money on nothing that don't look good. I'm a person that if I take it out and I don't like it, I'm gonna return it. Even though it's very hard for me to return things, I would return it. But guess what? I am a satisfied customer. Period. And I rock with this brand. The customer service is amazing. They're always willing to answer your questions. So if you have a question about something, guess what? You're going to get an answer in less than 24 hours, which is what I love. I love when people communicate with me, because when I'm spending my coins, I don't want you to treat me as if you're doing me a favor. I want you to treat me as if I'm spending my coins. You get me? Good. So this is pretty dope. It's just awesome, and I love this hair. I don't know how many times I said I love this hair, but I love this hair. I love this hair. Comment down below how many times I said I love this hair, and if you get it right, I got a prize for you. So the first person to comment, I got you. Anyway, I'm gonna rate this hair now, and it's really hard for me to rate it because, you know, I don't think you guys know already what I'm gonna rate this hair. Do you know? Do you know? If you don't know, something is wrong with you. Why have you been watching this whole time? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna rate this hair a 10 out of 10, a 20, 100, 100 billion thousand. This hair just made my day. Like, I wish I saved it for my birthday. I might order from this company again for my birthday, so you guys stay tuned for that. My birthday is July 12th. But listen, if you need some quick birthday hair, you don't got the coins, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is it. This is it for you. So I ordered this hair and I got it in about a week, even though it's quarantine time. Maybe your city has opened, mine has opened in like phase 1, but I'm still quarantining. I know this is a time where people are trying to find a bang for their buck, and this is the bang for your buck. Okay, this has minimal shedding, and if no shedding at all. Like, literally I plucked some hair and that was like the most shedding that I got. Like, I'm really trying mad hard to get shedding, and look, I don't have nothing came out of my hands. I'm really happy that I got this here. So I love the parting space that this hair has. I really love it. I love the fact that the parting goes all the way back. You know them wigs where the part just be stopping right here and people be out here like but I love the fact that if I want to part it on any side, I could literally do a side part, a middle part, I could do a deep part. Like, boom, this is good. I'm 5'4". This is 18 inches. So the hair stops right there. What is this, my waist? Is it my waist? I don't know. This made my whole day. Like, tomorrow I'm stepping out and I'm gonna look cute. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody that you know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Looking like $1 million right now. $1 million plus dollars. Ew, there's a moth in my room. Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god.